Hello everyone, right over here. Hope you're having a great day. So the other day I decided to move my home office to another room in the apartment to get more space for all my equipment. And while I was at it, I sort of decided to update my desk setup a little bit, which means that my current cable management looks like this. I know, it's a mess. And I thought that it would be a great idea to show you how to do a nice, clean, and functional cable management. This brings me to a sponsor of this video. Thank you Boho Office for sponsoring this video. Boho Office is a German company that provides high quality office furniture at a fair price. I have been using my adjustable standing legs from them for almost a year and a half now, and they are amazing. Check out my productivity desk setup video for a more in-depth review. If you use the code in the description below while ordering directly from their website, you can get 3% discount until the end of September, so go and check it out. So let's first look at what are we going to use today. So we have our cable tray and cable channel from Boho, classic power drill with a couple of screws, and then a couple of those Velcro zip ties for connecting a bunch of cables together, and those sticky rubber cable holders to keep your cables out of sight and nicely organized. All right, so now that we have everything, we need to figure out the layout. So example of my power strip or outlet, whatever you call it, it's too big to fit in my tray. So I actually need to have this one outside. So I'm gonna put it behind over here so it doesn't take that much space and it's pretty much invisible. And then the tray will go in the middle part, and then we have the channel that will go beside the leg over here. As you can see that this tray is quite big, so you should measure first how much space you have between your legs so you know it's gonna fit. Luckily I have my legs from Boho as well, and they are adjustable on the width as well, which is amazing. And this one is going to fit perfectly right over here. So first we need to put up those two plastic pieces, one over here and then one over here, and then we can hang our metal tray on them. All right, first step done. Now we have it hanging, and it's easy for us to close it like this, or then have it open partially so we can play around with the cables over here. Now we're going to put the power supply on the side, and then we're gonna start putting slowly cables inside. All right, so I installed the power supply up here, and I'll also install the channel right behind the leg. So that's done, and now all we need to do is just put all the cables into the tray, and we are done. So let's get into it. All right, I think I'm done. As you can see, everything is nicely hidden in the tray. What is not in the tray is also hidden over here. So we have almost no cables hanging. The last thing is actually over here, which is a perfect example of using those small rubber clips. As you can see, I already put one over here with the 3M tape, and then we just stick it over here, and it holds nicely over there, so you actually don't see it from this angle at all. Nice. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope that you maybe got some new ideas on how to improve your cable management, or if you have some good tips and tricks, please do share them with me in the comment section below so we can all learn and improve. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Follow me on social media, stay rad, and I'll see you next time.